Hello again. Today I have another Elephant and Piggy book. There is a bird on your head. Another one written by Mo Willems. Let's see what happens. There's a bird on your head. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love. They're love birds. Look at his face and look at his friends. Oh my goodness. Love birds. How do you know they are love birds? They're making a nest. Oh. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Look at their faces. I love these illustrations. Do I have an egg on my head? Oh, look. Piggy is using Elephant's trunk to look up there on his head. Are there eggs? One, two, three. You have three eggs on your head. I do not want three eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The three eggs are gone? Are they gone? Nope. What's happening? The eggs are hatching. Oh, we know what that means. Hatching? There are eggs on my head are hatching? I think Elephant's pretty freaked out by this. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have three baby chicks on my head and two birds in a nest. I do not want three baby chicks, two birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Good question. Somewhere else. Oh my goodness, they all went flying. There's even a little worm. Do you see it? Piggy went flying too. Elephant was so loud. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Sure, ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? Do you think they will, or will they stay on his head? No problem. It worked! And here's the little bird saying, bye. Now there are no more birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. I don't think that's the end of the story. You're welcome. Where did they go? They went from Elephant's head to Piggy's head. I don't think now Piggy's not too happy, is he? And that's the end. What a great story today. It was short and sweet and kind of funny. I hope you had a great day, and I'll see you next time.